In this video I will show you how you can find oxide in ICARUS. So it's very easy to find it. And the first step, you want to open map and you want to go near those stone areas, like those stone cliffs or hills. And there is 100% chance you will find it around this. Or you can also find it on the edge of the map, like this. So right now I'm currently on the edge of the map. And as you can see, there is a lot of those ores. So there is first one, there is second one, third one, fourth one, and you can mine it. You just need a stone pickaxe, and then you can mine it. Or if you don't have pickaxe yet, you can also find it randomly in forest, like those small oxide deposits. It looks like this, and you can just press F to collect it. And here you go. This is how you can collect or get oxide. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.